guys. It's Adora. Another baby doll. Yes, I bought my baby doll. This is hard. I got it. I passed it. I got the boss now. I can't wait to play with my baby doll. She's so cute. I always got my doll out. I can't wait to put her in the tub. I gotta take this dress off. The dress is so cute. I love this baby. You're so cute. And I love her a lot. Playtime with my doll. Her so tiny. This doll's got little hands. So I put the dress on her. My doll's a little close. Sometimes it's hard to put it on her. Oh, Mama! Mama, I need this for that doll.
What doll are you talking about, Shadiah? Where? Which one?
For this doll.
Oh, that sweet little cute miniature Cabbage Patch doll? She's so cute. So you're going to change the Cabbage Patch Kid doll dress to the other dress? You're going to swap their outfits out?
I don't need this one. How about this one? This one. Oh, this is cute, Mama. Yes, this is the little.
Yes, that is cute. That would look so cute on her. That would be great for your baby doll.
Can't take it off. I want to see what it looks like. Turn it on. Come on. No. This dress is for her, so this is for her. This is Janice. Okay? Take the trim. No, take the clothes off. Turn this on. This dress because I don't like this bit. Now let's put your dress on. This is your dress. Almost got it. You started and you take the bath. Hey! Forgot to have diaper on. Baby, have fun. The baby have fun on the unicorn. The baby's so cute on the unicorn. Because I love her so much. These are my baby dolls. These are my baby dolls. You have my two baby dolls. Oh. So you gotta put water in your mouth to squeeze it. So that's the open it. How do I open it, Mama? Put this tape. Did someone put tape on here? How do I open
Hi everyone. Shadiah is unboxing a cute mermaid girl for me to play with.
my baby doll. You see? Yeah. Open it. It's not water. You know it's not. Swim, baby. Yeah. Adopted. Yeah. Oops. It's a pussy. Ew! I don't like that. It's disgusting. There's hair on her. Take a bath, Mama. I want to take a bath. Okay, let's take a bath then. Mama, I want to take a bath. Okay. Let's start playing. I think the water is hot. But my baby dolls like hot water. I want to play in the tub. I don't play with pretty dolls. My mermaid doll loves the water. Bath time. They love bath time. You do over there. Come on, water. That would be enough. You did go first.
Shadiah, it's not enough water in there.
I'll put water in there, Mommy. My baby loves the bubbles.
Shadiah, your poor little baby can't see. That headband is in the way. Do you have enough muscles to pull that headband off? Poor baby.
This is fun. I love playing my doll in the water. meet you. Can I play with you, please? In the banana. You saw you have to fun. Can I join you? Hello? Hello, Reddy. Do you see me? I see you. I see you. I having fun with my dolls. My dolls are bath. Okay, I understand. Yeah. My heart is more. Dad is pretty. Yeah. Bye. See you later.